Welcome to Recovery Wednesday, guys. Grab a band, a towel, or stick. We'll use it in the end for our shoulder stretches. For now, bird peckers. Right here, getting the quad stretch and getting into the hamstrings. Sometimes I even get some back cracks here. With all the burpees we've been doing, the back can certainly get stiff, so this is a good one to help us loosen up. And it is a recovery session today. You should be feeling real good by the time we're finished. Hopefully nice and loose and supple. Yeah, focus. Focus on balancing. And getting the stretch. Okay, we're gonna monkey. Gonna monkey around coming up next. You can get a head start. Lower down into monkey position. And really make this your own, guys. Have fun with it. I like to really lean into the ankle stretch here. Just a few more of these, 10 more seconds. All right, and we'll do some push-up dogs next, so you can get a head start if you want. Meet me in downward dog. And now we'll step one leg forward, hips down. And when you're ready to switch sides, you can. What do you guys think of the new backdrop? The space with this bead lamp thing above my head, that's a little annoying. But other than that, it's actually a nice space for me to work out in. The pool's a smaller target to hit though. It made me nervous last time I went and jumped into the pool. Felt a little claustrophobic, but it's still very refreshing. All right, we're gonna do the matrix. So no push-up necessary. Of course, you can do it if you want. We're gonna matrix from side to side. Dodging bullets in 2, 1, go. And I like to use this stretch to loosen up the spine as well. To get what you want out of this. Yeah! Oh, okay. And we'll do lateral lunges for the finish. This thing right here. Lateral lunges. And I like to use the hands for support at first. Get deep into this lateral lunge. You can switch sides as you like. You can play around with the heel down, up on the toes. Totally up to you. Let's even pick the hands up now and we'll just bounce side to side for the last 20 seconds. Oh yeah. Ooh, Stand it up, shake it out. Guys, we're doing foundation training. We're gonna fix up the back. All the burpees we've been doing, this is really necessary for me anyways, and it'll probably feel good for you too. So we're going in 8 seconds. All right, so we're gonna start with our feet about shoulder width apart. Arms sweeping back, hips back, lowering the chest down. Now pick your hands up even higher. Lift your chest up, bracing through that lower back. Hold for 5. Knees pull back into the body. 2, 1, raise your hands up as high as you can. In front of you and hold. Hands up even higher, hold for 5. 3, 2, 1. Both hands across your chest, or I do 1 on the lower back. 10 good mornings here. 3, keeping that lower back braced. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hips back, arms back. Pull your shoulder blades together, hands up high. Hold for 5. Knees pull back in the body for 2, 1. Hands up as high as you can get them. Hold for 10. Weight all the way back in the heels. Hands up even higher. Hold for 5. Lower back. To be screaming at you now. 2, 1, and lower down to the floor. Press back through your arches, through your heels. Try to stretch your hamstrings all the way up into the glutes, butt reaching back. Big stretch here. Hold for 3, 2, 1, and we'll stand it up. Ooh, that feels good already. Now, big lunge forward with the left foot. Go hands up overhead. We're gonna lean out to the left side and pull back into extension. Rise up onto the back toes and lower down. There's 1, we're going for 10. Now feel this stretch get into the right hip flexor. 2, 3. 8, 9, 10, and arms fall to your side. Open up your chest. Shoulder blades down your spine. We're gonna go hands reach back as the chest falls forward. Lower back braced. Use your shoulder blades together, hold for 5. 2, 1, now reach forward. Reach forward a little further. And hands up as high as you can get them, hold for 10. Almost there, 3, 2, 1, and now high level. 10 rotations to the left. Keep that lean forward. Both hands across your chest or 1 on the lower back. 10 good mornings, all the motion coming from this left glute. 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hips back, arms back. Over 5, 3, 2, 1, and stand up. Woo. And shake it out. Oh, I feel that tension all through here, the hamstrings into the glute. So you shouldn't feel it in the quads, hopefully not too much. Hopefully all back here. All right, other side. Right foot steps forward, left leg way back. Both hands up overhead. We'll lean to the right this time and pull back into extension. Raise up onto the back toes for 1. We're going for 10. 2. Breathe into it. 10. Arms down to your sides. Shoulder blades pulling back and down. Hips go back as the chest falls forward. Lower back braces here. Lift your hands up even higher. Hold for 5. All the weight in your right heel. 2, 1. Now reach forward and lean. Reach forward further. Hands up as high as you can get them. Hold for 10. Hands up even higher. Hold for 5. 3, 2, 1 and eye level. 10 rotations to the right. Woo. Nine and 10. Open up the chest. Oh, sorry, we're going hands across the chest, or one on the lower back. 10 good mornings. All the motion coming from that right glute. Lower back brace the entire time. Nine, 10, hips back, arms back, squeeze them. Squeeze those shoulder blades together, hold for 5. 3, 2, 1, and stand up. And shake it out. All right, time for the wide stance sequence. Going super wide with the legs. Shoulder blades, pull them back and down. Oh, I'm getting a good sweat going. Hips as far back as you can get them. Arms back as well. And squeeze your shoulder blades together. We're gonna hold for 5 right here. Knees pull back in the body. 2, 1, now reach your hands forward. Hips back further, reach your hands forward even more. You know, hands up as high as you can get them, hold for 10. Hands up higher, hold for 3, 2, 1. Both hands across the chest or one on the lower back. 10 good mornings, right here. All the motion coming from the glutes. And 10, hips back, arms back, shoulder blades pinch together. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Hands up as high as you can get them. Hold for 10. Get the butt back. Now thumbs down, pull your hands up higher, hold for 5. 3, 2, 1, and lower down to the floor. Whew. Try to straighten out your legs as you reach your hips back. Left hand's gonna rotate up to the sky and bring it down. There's 1, we're doing 9 more. 3, and you can wrap these out. 4. 8, 9, and 10 before we switch to the other side. 10 on the other side. And last one, 10. Well, stand up, but we'll keep that wide stance. You guys have done this before, you know. There's just one thing left to do. Now press our forearms together and push up, maintaining this contact all the way along this line, okay? All right, so you know, hips back, arms back, hold for 5, squeeze your shoulder blades together. 3, 2, 1, raise your hands up as high as you can, hold for 5. 2, 1, smash your forearms together, 10 presses up, ready, and go. 1, 2, keep your butt back. 3, 4, 5, 6, keep your chest up. 7, 8, 9, and 10. We'll stand up just for a moment here, guys. Do one more set, and let's make this one hurt. Hips back, arms back. Shoulder blades pinch together. Hands up even higher, hold for 5. 2, 1, hands up as high as you can get them. Hold for 10 this time. Hands up even higher, hold for 5. 3, 2, 1, forearms together, 10 presses and we're done. And begin. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And when you're done, stand up, shake it off. Left leg forward, right leg back. Hands up, lean to left side, pull back into extension, and side, extension, and we'll just keep moving right here between these two positions. And we'll switch out the legs. We'll lean out to the right side this time and pull back into extension, side, extension, and 3 more reps. 1, 2, last one, 3. All right, guys, time to take our vitamins. Going 5 minutes of burpees at whatever speed you like, with or without the push-up, in 2, 1. Maybe take it slow to start things out. We're going 5 minutes, guys. However you want to do it.
Upgrade complete.
And rest for a minute. Woo. Oh, 20 seconds left, guys. Make your way up and grab your stretching equipment for the shoulders. We've been doing so much pressing, so many burpees. We're gonna take care of our shoulders today with some pass-throughs. 2, 1, let's go. Shoulder pass-throughs. Choking up on your equipment or walking your grip in closer and closer. Opening up the chest. Last one. And now we'll get into some cyclones. Ooh. Let's go one more in this direction. Then we'll reverse it. And last one. Whew. Before we get into our tricep shoulder stretch, this one right here. We'll just hang out here. Relax into the stretch. You can tilt your head, turn it, whatever feels good to you. And release the stretch on that side. Same thing on the other side. Whew. Oh, now we get to relax. Already it's been a good day. Now we're really gonna take care of our bodies. Just stretching and hanging out from here on out. And release that side. Now move your band or equipment lower to your upper back. We're gonna press straight back from there. And if that's all good, then you can move your hands closer together and continue. Press back, and then bring it back to your shoulders. Whew. Oh, I definitely feel this one, opening up the chest. Yeah. Now keep those abs tight, squeeze your glutes as you press back. Maintaining that solid core position. And equipment, toss it aside. Find a doorway, guys, or do the scaled version in the box below. The doorway stretch here where you just lean in and allow the chest to open up, the shoulders to open. Or you're doing the scaled version in the box where you'll spend half your time doing one side, and then the second minute you'll do the other side. Relax into it. I like to tilt the head from side to side. Whew. Sometimes you get some neck cracks. You can also swing your head from side to side. And the same thing here. Squeeze your glutes, tighten your abs. Don't allow those hips to droop. You get a better stretch in the shoulders and through the chest. You maintain a solid core. Let's relax into this. Now if you're doing one arm, then you're gonna switch sides. We are 1 minute, we're halfway through. So switch to the other side if you're doing one arm. So if you're hanging out in the doorway, then we're just gonna ride it out. Try to relax. Allow gravity to pull you deeper into this stretch. Play with your head position. We're almost there. Breathe. 10 more seconds. And relax and shake it out. All right, we're gonna hang. Find us something to hang from or follow what's in the box. Now I don't have a skin the cat station, so I'm gonna do the high crab scaling option. Press up, use your glutes. I have to figure out how I'm gonna do my skin the cats in this zone. Maybe I can't. That's all right, this is a great chest opener as well. Whew. Oh yeah. Keep pressing, keep that chest open, keep those hips up. And I've got a handstand hold or a pike hold coming out next. So either one's good. We're going in 5. You can find a spot on the wall. 2, 1. Press through your shoulders. Reach your toes up the wall. It is hard coming off the high crab. But we're gonna fight. Squeeze your glutes. Crunch your abs and press through your shoulders, through your palms, into the ground. "15 seconds left, almost there, guys." Oh, I'm sweating a lot for a recovery day. Woo. 2, 1. We're going down into the squat. Guys, we're gonna hang out here for 2 minutes. Let's just breathe and settle in for the first 30 seconds or so. Wow, that was pretty good. Whew. There we go, we're through the shoulder stretch sequence. Hope that stuff helps you guys as much as it helps me. I do most of those stretches every single day. All right, and let's go a little bit wider with the stance. And we'll start out with some squat bows. So I can do double thumbs length. Reach your forehead down to the target, hips down. Then lower that target rep after rep. How low can you go? And last one. And then we'll sit up. Put your left palm, press into your right knee, and you can straighten out your left elbow and hold. And let's do the same on the other side. Right palm into right knee and try to straighten that right elbow. Hold for 10. Do 1. Now both hands down, let's do some arm rotations. Rocking from side to side here. And we'll try to straighten out the legs. Let your head hang heavy down to the floor into a rag doll. And grab onto your elbows. You can just shake out your head. Reach your elbows down toward your toes. Weave from side to side, whatever feels good. Hang, relax. And we'll stand up. And we'll get into some old man surfers, so send those hips forward and around. Woo. And reverse the direction. And we're going right leg forward, left leg forward, sorry, right leg back. Down into our Spider-Man lunge. And you can lower down to your elbows. Here's our recovery day, so we got some extra time we're gonna spend loosening up. And now let's get into our split positions. You can either sit back into half splits or try to reach your left leg forward into a full or somewhere toward the full splits. I like to rock the hips from side to side. Woo. All right, and let's step the right leg forward when you're ready. Woo. Spider-Man lunge on this side. And when you're ready, you can lower down to the elbows. We can also, next we'll transition into a split position that is right for you. And gather yourself, press back into downward dog. And we can start by shifting the hips from side to side. Now we'll get into the feet. Walking that dog. And let's move it into the shoulders, shifting our weight from left to right side. Now take your left hand and reach back to your right ankle into this three-legged dog-ish position. We're gonna press and pull our head through the window. And hold. And we'll switch to the other side. Oh, my hands are slipping. Press and pull your head through into the stretch. And return to downward dog. This time we're going left leg straight up in the air into three-legged dog and hold. Hold for 5. 3, 2, 1, and bend and reach your left leg to the side. Scorpion that dog as you're pressing through your palms and your shoulders. And hold. And drive your left knee forward towards your left palm. Spin the foot. We'll sit up tall into Emperor Pigeon. And I like to bring the hands together into prayer pose and relax. Or you can use your hands for support, up to you. Walk it down, lay it down, and fully relax into sleeping pigeon. And we'll shake out the left leg real quick. And then send the right foot straight up into the sky in the three-legged dog. Pull for 3, 2, 1, and bend and reach your right leg to the side. Do scorpion the dog. And right knee comes forward, spin the foot. Sitting tall into Emperor Pigeon. Settle in, relax, into the stretch. And lay it down, fully relax into sleeping pigeon. And bring it up. We'll sit back into the seated kneeling position. I've been liking to open up the chest. Interlace your fingers behind your back and push your knuckles down into the floor, toward the floor, as you lean your head from side to side. Let's extend the right leg and lean back into the quad stretch on the left side and relax. And let's switch it up, other side. And lean back. Release the leg. Sit it up and reach toward your toes. And we'll rock from side to side. Allowing your chest to fall forward deeper into this hamstring, glute, behind the knee stretch. And we're gonna open it up into our pancake. And I have missed this stretch so much. You're gonna reach up with the right hand, over to the left side. I like to walk the left arm through and relax into this side leaning stretch. Really nice to help release any tension in the lower back along the sides. Amazing, and the other side. And relax into it. Oh, I was zoning out. We'll bring it up and we'll walk it down to the center. And I like to add the breathing in here where you inhale and lengthen through the spine. Exhale, lower. Maintaining that neutral or straight spine position. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, lower. Let's do one more. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, lower. This time, allow your spine to round your spine. And just get low and relax. Slowly bring it up. Ooh. And we'll get a few windshield wipers. Give ourselves that counter stretch. Ooh. For the body, feeling good now, much better. And a sweaty one for a Recovery Wednesday too. All right, and we're gonna lie on our backs. Well, bring the left knee in to the left shoulder and pull, squeeze it in. And now let's pull it across to the right side. Get a spinal twist here. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, twist. And continue. Inhale, inhale. And then exhale, twist. Come back to center. And we'll straighten the left leg, bring the right knee to the right shoulder and pull it in tight. And now we'll pull it across the body to the left side. We'll open up the right shoulder, right arm, deep breath in. Exhale, twist. And continue with your own breath. Into happy snail, kick your feet up and over the top. Then lower into the happiest baby. Bring your knees in, squeeze them in tight to your chest and hold. And extend your legs. Get comfortable, fully relax in Shavasana for 1 minute and 53 seconds starting right now.
Upgrade complete.
Whoo! Namaste, my friends. I hope you guys appreciated that recovery workout today. And it is day 10 of the Circadian Rhythm Challenge. So all you have to do is get into bed at the same time every night for 2 weeks. So we're in 10 days already, but really this should be a lifelong thing that we try to dial in to help us improve our sleep quality. So I hope you guys will jump on board with that challenge. Patrons and subs, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate your support. It is allowing me to be here and provide these videos and workouts to you guys. And I hope to see everyone for tomorrow's calorie burner. See you guys soon. Aloha.